Exploring turkey stuffing, a delicious English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's not only interesting but also quite tasty. Turkey stuffing. Whether you're a food lover or just curious about English phrases, you're in for a treat. Turkey stuffing is a phrase that refers to a mixture of ingredients used to fill the cavity of a turkey before cooking. This mixture often includes breadcrumbs, herbs, spices, and sometimes meats or vegetables. It's a traditional dish in many cultures, particularly popular during festive occasions like Thanksgiving and Christmas. In many English-speaking countries, especially the United States and Canada, turkey stuffing is more than just food. It's a part of the cultural heritage. It represents family gatherings, festive celebrations, and has a special place in holiday traditions. Each family might have their own unique recipe, passed down through generations. Interestingly, the phrase, turkey stuffing, can also be used metaphorically. For instance, someone might say, "This book is full of turkey stuffing," meaning the book has a lot of unnecessary or superfluous content. It's a playful way to use the phrase in everyday language. Let's see how turkey stuffing can be used in different contexts. 1. Culinary context. My grandmother's turkey stuffing recipe is the highlight of our Thanksgiving dinner. 2. Metaphorical use. I couldn't finish the report. It was just full of turkey stuffing. And that's a wrap on turkey stuffing. We hope you found this exploration both informative and enjoyable. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and the stories behind the phrases. Stay tuned for more fun and insightful English lessons. Happy learning!